Hello, welcome, welcome to a demo on how to do a basic if statement in Python. So, a lot of you would never have done it before. So I'm going to go through the theory and then go through actually give you an example. So, if statement is basically providing options. So Python supports these logical conditions for mathematics to actually do that. So you're going to have equal to, which is two equals, not equal to, which is exclamation point equals, and so on and so forth, which you will find in this little table here. So you can see each comparison operator with the name of the operator and an example of its application. And we're going to apply each of those in if statements. So this is an example of an if statement. So let's say we want something like two variables, a and b. So we'll type in here, a equals 42, b equals 52. So what we need to do there is type in if, and then you need a. So is a greater than b? And then you do a colon, because that's part of the syntax. And you press enter, and it does the indentation for you on the next line. So then what we're going to do is we're going to do a print statement, print, and we're going to say something like, we're going to say b is a greater than b. We're going to say a is greater than b. But because it's not the case in this case, what we can do is we can do else. So we got else colon print, and then we're going to say b is greater than a. So what we'll do then, we'll just press run, and we know b is greater than a because b is 52 and a is 42. But let's change a to 142. I'm going to run it. Now we know a is greater than b. So that is one example of how to do a basic if-else statement. Thank you for listening, and hopefully I look forward to seeing your if statement.